shoes. Don't you remember what the teacher Amir told last time?
Okey, sebelum kita bermula kelas kita, yang pertama cikgu nak setiap murid-murid kena pastikan kasut kamu berada dalam keadaan bersih. Sebab kelas kamu kalau kita lihat berada di tepi padang. Bila berada di tepi padang banyak rumput-rumput, nanti kamu akan bawa masuk ke dalam kelas dan kelas kita akan menjadi lebih kotor. Tolong bersihkan kasut kamu sebelum kamu masuk ke dalam kelas.
But it's very tiring and after PGO, we always need to go and wash our shoes.
I don't get how desperate you are, but go and wash your shoes right now.
Hello everybody, my name is Radha Batrisha and I'm gonna be your narrator for today. So let me introduce you to my teammates first. First there's our cutie little patootie Aina. Next there's two of our lucky boys, Ang and Lucas, and obviously there's me. Yeah. Next I'm gonna introduce you to our teacher, Sir Ami. He's the greatest. Now let's get on with the problem statement. Surface of the shoe soles have accumulated grass and dirt from playing at the field during physical education. As a result, the cloths become dirty and full with grass from field. What are the negative impact that we are trying to overcome? First thing first, we don't want no more dirty classroom from dried grasses and mud. Secondly, we want a comfortable environment so that students can study peacefully. Thirdly, no more constant sweeping and no more teachers scolding us to sweep the floor. What seems to be the solutions for these never-ending problems? Simple, create a simple shoes cleaner where it can clean and remove grass from shoe soles. There will be a two-layer base which is made from compressed pieces of paper covered with epoxy. And for the second layer, it's made from melted bottle cap. On top of the base, there will be bottle caps that are attached with flower-shaped plastic bottle. This product is built flat so that the attached grass will be removed easily. When the students rub their feet on the product, the surface of the shoe soles and bottle cap will meet and hence create a friction that can remove the grass easily and effectively. After all, there will be no problem getting into the classroom with dirty shoes anymore. To study effectively in school, it all reflected to the environment we're brought into, and hence studying with a clean classroom is crucial. As you can see, this is our 3D sketch for you guys to visualize what our product actually looks like. There is two layers, just like I explained before. The first layer is made from compressed pieces of paper covered with epoxy, and the second layer is made from melted bottle caps. As you can also see, on top of the base there is a bottle caps that are attached with plastic bottles with a flower shape. Next, our materials and costs. Firstly, epoxy RM 7 ringgit 90 cents. Secondly, our scissors 3 ringgit and 10 cents. Thirdly, our rivet gun for 24 6 cents. The rest are basically all recyclable stuff that you can find literally anywhere, like plastic bottles, bottle caps, and used paper. You could even use your math homework. So the total costing are RM 35 ringgit 6 cents.